Hey everybody, this is Jim from ATC Fanatics, and it seems like if you throw a rock in this garage, you're going to find something to fix. But today we're going to work on the 250R again. I blew everything out of the silencer some time ago, and I just never fixed it. So this little tube is actually broke off in here, and if you saw in the last video, it's just blowing exhaust out everywhere. And it's creating more back pressure that way, so it's actually robbing me of power. Probably why my initial throttle is so choppy. So we're going to get into this thing and we're going to see what we can do. Well, let's see if we can get a look under here. Well, I thought I was going to be able to take it apart right here, but it looks like it's all welded solid. So I don't know how I'm going to attach that tube back into here. Gosh, maybe I can wedge it in there. I don't know. I'll take the end out here and see what we get. Okay, we'll see if we can pull this out of here. Yeah, see? Okay, so I got my plan. I really don't want to buy a new silencer. So I crimped the end of the tube and I'm going to drive it in and I'm going to put the cap on to hold it. And I've got some of this. I'll wrap around the tube and then I'll wrap it with this aluminum tape. See what happens. Feel free to tell me in the comments how I'm wasting my time. Okay, well, I've got this. It's essentially a straight pipe now. So I'll wedge it in there. And hopefully it helps. I don't know. Well, it's in there. Not exactly the fix that I wanted to do. I wanted to weld that piece back in there, but I can't get it apart. So it's wedged in there. It's stuffed in the end, so it can't go anywhere. I wrapped it with that stuff and that aluminum tape, so it should just be like a straight pipe. Let's see how she sounds. it sounds cool. It's loud. It's really loud. I think it's louder than it was before. Directing that sound right out the back, I suppose. Well, we'll see if it stays together.